everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm making my beautiful spaghetti and shrimp. Now the first thing I do is put my onions in, just a little bit of oil, barely see it, and saute just for a few minutes. Beautiful onions, I add a little bit of seasoning. Give that a good stir. And I put in my shrimp. Give this a good stir as well. You can add more seasoning if you want to, so I'm going to add some more. Give it a good stir. Let this cook for about 10 minutes. Add any more seasoning for chest. I'm going to add some garlic powder. I love garlic a lot. Good stir. I'm going to add in some white pepper, just a little, because these guys are spicy. I love spice, but it's a different kind of spiciness, you know. When you have kids and all of that, you don't want to do too much of that. Okay, that's coming. I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes. I forgot to tell in the beginning that this shrimp are already cooked. These are cooked shrimp. I just washed them a little bit. So you don't want to overcook them. Yeah, that's all. About 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So stir occasionally. See, you can see the stock forming out of the bottom there. It's nice, isn't it? Then just I'm gonna add my spaghetti. This is whole wheat spaghetti. I boiled it. Don't overboil it. You don't want it to be too soft. And then I rinse it with cold water so that I can have. I don't have it. So I don't have them sticking together. You know what I mean? I want them to be separated. They come out in singles, not stuck together. That's what I was trying to say. See? Yep. Keep stirring and